Hello, everyone. Welcome to Season 2 of the Sam Podcast. We'll be talking about careers this season with me, Mr. Sam. Today, we are diving into another important and sometimes misunderstood career, learning about the production engineer. And joining me in the studio is a very insightful guest, Miss Hannah Lee, an industrial systems consultant and career mentor. Welcome to the show, Hannah.
Thank you, Mr. Sam. I'm excited to be here. Hello, everyone.
All right, Hannah, let's start simple. When people hear production engineer, they often look confused. It doesn't sound as glamorous as aerospace engineer or civil engineer. So, what exactly does a production engineer do?
You're right, it doesn't sound dramatic, but production engineers are extremely important. They are responsible for designing, managing, and improving manufacturing processes. They make sure products are produced efficiently, safely, and at high quality.
So, they don't design the product itself.
Not usually. Product design is often done by design engineers. Production engineers focus on how the product is made, the machines, the workflow, the materials, the timing, and the cost.
So they're like the problem solvers in a factory.
Exactly. If a machine breaks down, production engineers analyze why. If production is too slow, they improve the process. If there's too much waste, they reduce it.
That sounds stressful already. But let me argue something. I think production engineering sounds repetitive. You work in a factory every day, checking machines and solving similar problems.
I disagree with you there.
Oh, here we go.
Every day is different. Production environments change constantly. Machines wear out, demand increases, new technology is introduced. There are always new challenges.
So it's not boring?
Not at all. Imagine managing a production line that manufactures 10,000 products per day. Even a 1% efficiency improvement can save thousands of dollars.
That's a big responsibility.
Very big. Production engineers must balance quality, speed, safety, and cost. It's like juggling four balls at the same time.
Okay, let's talk about skills. What subjects should students focus on if they want to become production engineers?
Mathematics is important, especially statistics. They analyze production data, defect rates, and efficiency numbers. Mechanical knowledge is helpful too, because they work with machines.
So it's a mix of engineering and management.
Yes, that's a good way to describe it. They must understand technical systems and also manage people.
People management. I didn't expect that.
Production engineers often supervise technicians and operators. They must communicate clearly, motivate teams, and handle conflicts.
So if someone hates talking to people, this might not be the right job.
Possibly not. Communication is critical.
Let's imagine a typical day. What does a production engineer actually do from morning to evening?
Okay, in the morning, they might review production reports from the previous day, checking output numbers, defect rates, downtime.
Downtime means when machines stop working, right?
Yes, if downtime is high, they investigate the reason. After that, they might attend a meeting with supervisors to discuss production targets.
Meetings, always meetings.
Yes, meetings are everywhere. Then they might inspect the production floor, talk to workers, observe processes, and identify inefficiencies.
So they don't just sit at a desk.
Definitely not. They spend a lot of time on the factory floor.
Let me challenge you again. Production engineering seems extremely stressful. If production stops, the company loses money every minute.
That's true. There is pressure. When a major machine fails, everyone looks at the production engineer.
That sounds scary.
It can be, but stress also builds strong problem-solving skills.
What if there's a safety issue?
Safety is a top priority. Production engineers must ensure machines operate safely and follow regulations. One mistake can cause serious accidents.
So responsibility is very high.
Yes, high responsibility, high impact.
Let's talk about money. Do production engineers earn good salaries?
Generally, yes. Manufacturing industries value efficiency improvements. Experienced production engineers can earn competitive salaries, especially in large companies.
What industries hire production engineers?
Many industries: automotive, electronics, food processing, textiles, oil and gas.
So job opportunities are broad.
Very broad. That's one advantage compared to some specialized engineering fields.
Now, with automation and artificial intelligence, will production engineers lose their jobs?
Actually, the opposite might happen.
Really?
Yes, automation needs experts to design and manage it. Production engineers work with robotics, sensors, data analytics, and smart manufacturing systems.
So, Industry 4.0.
Exactly. Smart factories rely heavily on production engineers.
That sounds exciting. Maybe more exciting than I thought.
I told you.
All right. What type of personality is suitable for this career?
Someone analytical, organized, and detail-oriented. They should enjoy improving systems and solving practical problems.
So, not someone who wants to work alone in silence all day.
Correct. Production engineering is interactive and dynamic.
What about creativity?
Very important. Improving production processes requires creative thinking. Sometimes small design changes can significantly increase efficiency.
All right, let's argue one more time. I think production engineers don't get enough recognition. The product designer gets the fame, but production engineers stay behind the scenes.
That's partially true. They may not get public recognition, but inside companies, their value is very clear.
Because they save money.
Exactly. Improving productivity by 5% can transform company profits.
So they are silent heroes.
You could say that.
All right, if a student listening now wants to become a production engineer, what should they do?
Study engineering, often mechanical, industrial, or manufacturing engineering. Learn about quality control, lean manufacturing, and process optimization.
Internships?
Very important. Real factory experience teaches more than textbooks.
Should they learn software tools?
Yes, data analysis tools, CAD software, and production management systems.
All right, final question. Is production engineering exciting enough compared to aerospace or robotics?
It depends on what excites you. If you enjoy seeing immediate results of your improvements, production engineering is very satisfying.
Immediate results?
Yes, you change a process today and tomorrow production increases. That feedback is powerful.
That is satisfying.
Also, production engineers directly affect everyday products: phones, cars, food packages. Their work impacts millions of people.
When you explain it like that, it sounds meaningful.
It is meaningful.
All right, everyone. Today we learned that production engineers design and improve manufacturing processes. They need technical knowledge, communication skills, leadership ability, and strong analytical thinking.
And they play a key role in efficiency, safety, and product quality across many industries.
Thank you so much, Hannah, for this insightful discussion.
Thank you for inviting me. It was fun debating with you.
To our listeners, we hope this episode helped you understand what it means to learn about the production engineer. Maybe this career is not as flashy as launching rockets, but it is powerful, practical, and full of opportunity.
Keep exploring careers, stay curious, and believe in your abilities.
See you next episode on the SAM Podcast.